If you've been making websites with Claude Code or anti-gravity, chances are they're turning out something like this. Now, it's templatized, all the elements are the same, all structured the same. The only thing that vary from different AI websites that are clearly generated by AI is brand colors, logos, and different images. But they all have the same structure, elements, navigation bar, buttons, all of that. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate beautiful, unique websites that you can sell for thousands of dollars. On the screen right now, you can see some examples, really unique, different elements. They all look very different. And we're going to be doing this by just adding in a few steps to what we'd usually do when actually building a website with something like Claude Code. So there's a 4-step process to this. The first being inspiration. So we're actually going to go out and find inspiration and find the website that we want to replicate. So that's the first step. The second step is the actual build. So this is when we go to Claude or anti-gravity and chuck in a very specific prompt telling us to replicate the website that we've just found. We're going to send it screenshots, the HTML, and a few more things. The third step is refine. This is when we make that new website our own. So like step 1, we're actually going to be going out and finding the website and getting Claude Code to replicate that. But in step 3, we're going to be actually making it our own by adding our own custom elements, our own brand colors, our own logo, and all of that. Then step 4 is just to deploy it to the web. So we're going to be pushing our website to GitHub and deploying it to the web via Vercel. So let's jump straight into this and let's get started. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to come to a couple websites that I've found, and I'll leave links to them in the description, and you can find loads more in my free school community about these websites and what they are doing and how to build more complex Claude Code systems and anti-gravity systems. But basically what these websites are massive collages of other websites. So you can see here it's just basically an endless scroll of different websites. We can come in here, click on them, and actually screenshot them, take that to Claude Code and tell it to replicate it for us. Now, this one's called Dribble with 3 B's. The other one that I found is called Godly, and basically, it's just an endless whiteboard, essentially, with just thousands and thousands of different websites on here. So you can come in here and get loads and loads of ideas for your own website. But let's find one now that we actually want to replicate, and then we'll take that to Claude Code after taking a couple screenshots and then also getting the HTML. Okay, so I've just found this website on Godly, and we are going to recreate this with Claude. Now, there are a couple things, really simple things that we need to do here. One being screenshot as much of the website as possible, because we're going to be asking Claude for an exact replica of the website. So take as many screenshots as you can here. And then we're also going to be grabbing the HTML of this website. And all you need to do that is either hit F12 or, in my case, right click, hit inspect, and you'll see this window pop up. Make sure you're in Elements under Styles and just copy and paste literally everything here. Just like this, all the way up. Copy and paste that. And then once you've done that, head back to Claude, or head to Claude, and we will give it some information, the screenshots, this HTML, and then a very simple prompt telling us, or telling it to recreate this website. Okay, so I'm inside of Claude Code now, and you can see I've dropped in a few screenshots. Add as many as you want, the more the better. Um, I've given it a very simple prompt, so I've said I want to create a React project and copy this web page. I'll send you screenshots of the page as well as the HTML code. I want a perfect pixel replication of the website. Here is the URL. Added the URL of the website. Then just copy and pasted the HTML that we got a second ago. And then I'm just going to run this. The idea, what we're telling Claude to do here is essentially just replicate the website and steal the other person's website layout, template, whatever you want to call it. And then after we've got that, we're going to be adding our own information and our own custom elements as well. So I'm going to hit enter and let Claude build this website out for me, and I'll come back once it's done. Okay, so our website has been completed. If Claude hasn't automatically opened it, then just ask it to run it on a dev server or a local host, and it should open it up for you. If it doesn't, just copy and paste this local host link into your browser. So let's check it out. Okay, so this is our website here. It looks pretty good. Different animations compared to the original website, and we're missing that background globe animation. But that's fine. We can make edits to that and we'll personalize it and make it our own in a second. But that's step one, the inspiration step done, and then the build step, step two done as well. Let's just look at the original website quickly. So it looks a little bit different, but that's completely fine. The colors are there. We're missing this animation, which I think is pretty cool. So we'll try and add something similar in a second. And then this animation is a little bit different, and we're missing a few other components, but that's fine. We've got our website base here. And now we're moving on to the third step, which will take the most time. This is when we actually personalize the website, make it our own, add our own copy, add our own animations in. And to do this, I'm just going to head back to Claude Code. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to make up a quick business and tell it to change out the copy and replace it with mine. So all I've done is I've just used Whisper to basically speak to Claude, and it's just copy and pasted a prompt in here. I'm creating a business called buildasas.com, and yeah, we're just going to tell it to change the copy and make it our own. So let's do that and see what it comes up with. Cool. So as you can see, everything's been updated to my new SaaS project, buildasas.com, that I've just quickly created. And you can see all the copy has been changed to what I basically said. So yeah, you can see how easy this is just by talking to Claude Code or whatever AI coding platform you're using to build this. It's really easy to get a stunning looking website in a matter of minutes, to be fair. It took about, I want to say 15 minutes to actually build this and then change all the text as well. But now what we're actually going to do is we're going to go to a website called 21st.dev. And what this website basically is, it allows you to just pick pre-built elements that you can easily add to your website. Now, come in here, you can add as many as you want. You can see scroll animations, tons of different elements. And all you need to do really to add these onto your site is find one that you like. We're going to let's use this one here. So basically follows the mouse, pretty nice animation. Now you can change anything about this, the colors, the pace of the changing of background, anything really. And it's really easy to add it to your website. All you need to do, copy the prompt, make an account, and then head back to Claude, paste the prompt into Claude, and just run it. So we're going to do that now with this animation here and see what we get. And just like that, we have that animation on the background of our website. Really easy to do. All I did was went to 21st.dev and then just found a element that I liked, and then just copy and pasted the prompt into Claude, said add that, and there you go. It's really, really easy to do, and there's tons and tons of different elements and animations that you can add to your website really, really easily. So you can see here that we've got that moving around. It looks really good. Now we'll move on to the final step, which is actually deploying this to the web. Now, deployment is a two-step process. We're going to go to GitHub first and create a new project, and then we're going to go to Vercel and push our website to Vercel to actually deploy it to the web, and it will give you a URL and all of that. So if you haven't got a GitHub account, head over to GitHub, create an account, click on New, give your repository a name, and then once you've done that, you want to head to Vercel, create an account, and create a new project here. Once you sign up with Vercel, make sure you sign up with your GitHub account so they're automatically linked, and then we're going to use Claude to actually push our code, our new website code, into Vercel and into GitHub, so we can deploy it to the web. So once you've created your GitHub repository, your new project in GitHub, you'll see this URL pop up here. All you need to do is copy that, come back to Claude, paste in that new URL, and say push this website to GitHub. Then it's going to push the website code that is just built in your folder to GitHub. If you haven't done this before, it won't take long. It only takes 30 seconds. It's really easy to do. Claude will guide you through the whole process. So let's go ahead and do that. Cool. So while Claude Code is actually pushing our website code to GitHub, come to Vercel. If you haven't already made an account, make an account, create a new project, and then if you've connected your GitHub to Vercel, your project should pop up here. And then all you need to do is click on import and click on deploy. Now, that's pretty much it. That will push your website to the web. It will give you a URL. You can add a custom URL if you want. If you run into any errors along the way, take a screenshot or copy and paste them straight back into Claude Code, and it will guide you through the process or just fix it for you automatically. Now that's pretty much it. I'll leave you here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a lot. Remember the 4-step process: inspiration, build, refine, and then deploy. This is going to give you a way better looking website that you can then go ahead and actually impress clients with, instead of just the standard AI templates that you're seeing all over the place currently. But yeah, I'll leave all the links in the description and also in my free school community below. But yeah, thank you very much for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button. I've got tons more Claude Code and AI videos coming out and planned for the future. Thank you very much. Have a great day.